backpack rap is that?
Hey everybody, Jocksters89 here. Alright, so I'm going to talk about today something that's pretty cool. So NVIDIA at CES, they have announced that they are going to launch a cloud-based gaming service. So what this means is you do not need to have a GTX 1060, 1070, 1080, anything like that to play AAA titles. You don't need to have a top-of-the-line gaming PC to enjoy the AAA titles that are coming out. This is very, very cool. But the fact that this is coming out where you don't have to go out and you don't have to purchase the top-of-the-line stuff just to play these games for however long until they become obsolete, and then you got to do it all over again, right? So what you can do is from a PC, Mac, anything like that, you can choose these games. Some of them are going to be from Steam and things like that. Some of the larger, like GOG, Battle.net. What this does is uses their virtual machines. So you can play games from your Mac or your Windows PC, and you can play these games like you had a top-of-the-line GTX 1080 machine in your house. That is very cool without having to have that machine in your house, right? When you register for this NVIDIA Cloud PC, all right, I'm going to call it, after you register, you get free 8 hours of a GTX 1060 PC, all right, equivalent, right, in quotations, or 4 hours on a GTX 1080 PC at max settings. And then after that, when you actually want to start paying for it, it's not going to be like a monthly subscription, or where you pay like $8 just to have the website, and then you pay for the games that are coming out and things like that. The way they're going to break it down is for $25, you get 20 hours on a 1060 machine or 10 hours on a 1080 machine. So I find that very expensive, but one thing that could be very cool is, let's say you already have a game, because you can play these anywhere. You can start them somewhere, come home, and then finish them, right? Doesn't matter where you're on the road, things like that. I mean, obviously you need a pretty good internet connection, but that being said, pretty cool because you can go home and then you don't have to waste your 20 hours if you already have the game, right? So you can start it, come home, if you have the game, play it at your house. You're not wasting your 20 hours, but you still got to play that game while you're out and about. And then also while you're downloading, so like while you're downloading a game or searching for games or things like that, that doesn't count against your hours. It's just gameplay. This is pretty cool. I mean, I know some other companies have tried this and belly flopped, but they didn't do it quite like this. So another cool thing too, it's going to let you play multiplayer just like you could before. So nothing's really going to change as far as your experience goes. I've read that the latency is non-existent. I mean, this thing is very, very silky smooth. So when you play it, it's going to be like you're playing it, hard line or hard copy. So another thing that's pretty cool too is your hours don't expire if you don't use them. And like I was saying before, installing games doesn't count against your playtime. So I mean, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. I mean, if the latency issues aren't an issue right now, I mean, obviously we'll find out. I've heard that March is kind of where they're looking to launch this bad boy. Right now, it's kind of on Shield devices, and then as of March, it won't be just exclusive to Shield devices. So we'll see, right? We'll see if this can actually handle everybody trying to play off these virtual PCs. I mean, we'll see. It could be it's a very, very cool idea. It's kind of expensive for me, but then again, if you're not playing a ton of games, but you still want to maybe, play some AAA titles without having to, break the bank for $60-$70 or whatever, then you got, season passes and things like that. So instead of dropping all that chunk of change, because these automatically patch. So you're not the second you click on the game, it's already patched and ready for you to play. So that you don't have to wait for it to update and do all that crap. The second you click the game, it's good to go. Very cool idea. We'll see how it is implemented, and we'll see if this thing can, I mean, hell, who knows? Maybe you never have to upgrade your PC again. Maybe just the PC you got sitting right next to you is what you need from now on. As long as you can get online, you're good to go. You're playing brand new AAA titles. Pretty cool idea. We'll see if it pans out. All right, guys, I just wanted to let you know what's going on at CES. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys have any comments, leave them down below. If you guys think this is gonna belly flop right off the get-go, if you think this is an awesome idea, let me know. And yeah, we'll talk about it. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.
I'm in love with the cold